Let me, what have I got now? Still fucking world in action. Ready?
Yeah, okay. Come on then. See ya. Cheers.
You got a hot leg, Steve? I have. Hang on, they're not out. Oh, they are. That's good of her.
I'm on a BMW. Don't expect me to fucking indicate. They come equipped with them. It's just optional whether you want to use them or not.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I knew he was going, and then he backs off.
Right, after that
I
black
am
SUV,
going.
you're clear. Still clear. Clear, 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 clear. Shropshire County brides. Skinny bitches only. See the dresses in the window?
I think you ought to go in and ask to try on a dress, NIGH.
I tell you what, I said when I went and got them, if you'd have said 10 years ago that 4 cups of coffee was going to cost you nearly 15 quid,
Fucking hell.
bar 10 pence, you'd have said fuck off.
Yeah. But let's be fair. The 4 cups of coffee were £9 and the cake was £6.
No, just the 4 coffees were £14 something.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, and then I said to her afterwards, oh, I'll have a bit of that as well. But it just shows that we've come to that as a norm, isn't it? £3 odd for a cup of fucking coffee.
It was very nice though, thank you, NIGH.
Yeah, it was nice. Very nice.
I'm trying to see it. Is your rear camera on, NIGH, or not?
It is, yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Fucking hell. They were started indicating in another fucking county. Jesus.
Tell you what, you'd have got a mark down on your test for that.
Yeah. Don't know how fucking tight this is. Not very, I doubt.
That's what they said about Bonnie Blue.
Turned out it was like chucking a sausage down the fucking M1. Lingerie shop. Yeah. Hello.
See your face pressed up against the window.
Oh, target acquired up ahead. Looks like a police officer on a motorcycle.
It does. I think it's a hill.
Look at that Jag. Looks like an XK. Probably an old Citroen.
Yeah.
Hello, hello. Have you a room? A room? I like the old ones that the old resistance used to pull up in and shoot the Nazis.
Oh well, that's twice now the channel's going to be Black Flag, Nazis and suicide.
Mention Nazis.
Nazis and suicide. There we go.
Shut up, Joe, for fuck's sake.
All we need to do now is go past
go
past a field full of rape, and then you got the hat trick.
Right, pick up the A5 in a minute. I say, look at all these. Yes.
Da, da, da.
Very patriotic. God bless you, Governor.
Beautiful.
Right, we're going left when we hit the A5. Yeah, look at that.
What? We're going right, aren't we?
Oh yeah. See, I told you it's blended into the brown.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Look, sometimes they've got the Bucking Union flag at the top, and sometimes England.
Yeah.
Mostly the Union.
I think these have been put up a few times, haven't they? Looking at all the zip ties on the.
Yeah. And good that they put them up so high people can't fucking climb up and take them down.
Climb up and get them, yeah.
Yeah, well, they go along in one of them fucking cherry pickers, don't they?
Do they?
On the back of the fucking there's one on YouTube goes around doing them all, doesn't he? And he's got what do you call it, lift,
cherry picker.
so on the back of a fucking Transit or an Iveco, whatever it is.
Yeah, but the council was seething.
Tough bastards. That's a few quid's worth of flags, isn't it?
That is.
I think he's emptying his piss fucking his piss pot out of the camper van. There was a trail of water dripping from him.
I would, to be fair, if there was a GS behind me. Solid, I'd be flinging the solids out as well.
Yeah, look at that old beauty, look.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Mr. Beamer, I got a lettuce as well. It's double whites up here. I shall move over for thee. I take it if that horse needs a shit while it's in there, it just shits.
Yeah, and hopefully there's not a through draft.
I
Over
reckon
to your left, Nigel.
This Kia is looking to go. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Should I let them fucking reprobates by? Well, he might not, but I am. Is he gonna? Yeah, fuck it. Indicator, Steve. Where's Joe? Is he still eyeing up that horse's ass?
Yeah.
You just like it because it's winking at you, isn't it? Nah, that's a good old herd, look.
It is.
Show us your teats, car.
Make room for Joe. Show us your teats.
I'm glad somebody got it.
You need a t-shirt with that on. A Frisian cow that says show us your teats.
Show us your teats.
Bike coming.
Motorbike coming. Motorcycle, you're clear now. Still clear. Still clear. Car coming now.
Car coming.
You're clear.
Yeah. I'm always fucking ready.
You can imagine Nick in his sleep. He's fucking going, he's going.
He's going.
I'm ready, I'm ready. He's going again.
Fucking thumb twitching on the down change.
It's like river dance, isn't it?
Yeah. It does say on his NHS diagnosis card, gobshite.
Teetotal gobshite.
Yeah. Has a tendency to speak without filtering.
Look at the name of that, Web.
Wem.
Oh, fucking hell, Web.
Wem. Now.
You see, where you going? Web. Now.
Yeah, that's where, not when.
See, Joe, it's just absolute bollocks all the way, isn't it? Fair warning. Right, you're fucking getting it once this junction's out the fucking way. Yeah,
Yes,
have
please.
another that Midway truck stop, ain't? What's this one up here? What's this fucking van doing? I don't know what they're doing here. They're packing up, aren't they? It says it's open.
Yeah, where are you going to park?
We can park up on here, can we? Oh, are they? Right, you watch. You watch some twat park right next to me.
Yeah.
He fucking has as well.
Have you got room? You know, he hasn't, has he?
Yeah, we have. Look where I kick it.
Yeah.
Can I kick it? Yes, I
Yeah, you can.
I bet we'll go in there and say, sorry lads, shut.
Just closing, yeah.
Oh, they are let Saturday, Sunday, 4.
Oh yeah, 4 o'clock. What's the time? 4 o'clock.
They are shut.
Oh, for fucking hell's sake.
What?
World in action.
Hey?
World in action.
You ready, Steve? You got rid of World in Action?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we stopped there.
Well, I thought they was all right then. I thought about them on air. Because they, you certainly used to chuck it around a bit.
Yeah, but you're not going to take that anywhere close to fucking off-road night, so...
No.
To be honest, the way you ride, you want fucking racing slicks on it.
No idea what you're referring to. Oh, matey. He says, have you ever got those heads anywhere near touching down?
I fucking hope
not
not.
my fucking choice. Only when I drop the bastard.
Yeah, I was thinking that's a bit low.
I did. I did on the RT 3 times.
Did you?
Yeah, when I dropped
When you
it.
dropped it. I'm thinking about painkillers.
I'm thinking about having a shit.
Oh, isn't that nice? We're all thinking about something different.
Steve looks like he's got his legs in stirrups ready to give birth. You sure you don't need a shit?
I don't think he's thinking about beer, is he? Are you thinking about the last time you went to the gynecologist, Steve?
Oh, fuck a duck. Let's see, it's...
Now, where were we parking?
Oh, fucking hell, done it again. Well, I'm hoping, see that room there on the right?
Yeah.
I'm hoping that's one of the ones we've got.
Right.
That's the one I tried to book.
Okay.
Well, there it is. Home for the night. Travel Lodge. Lowestoft, Grelum. Where they won't let you park right outside your fucking window.